Add ThriveCart payment details to Airtable automatically. So in this video, I will teach you how to integrate ThriveCart and Airtable in such a way that whenever a new payment is received in ThriveCart, how the same payment details will be added into the Airtable. In this way, you and your team can easily track all the purchases, the customer details and the payment details directly from the Airtable itself. Want to create this automation for yourself? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So this is my ThriveCart account and this is the Airtable sheet, and I'm going to integrate these two applications with the help of an integration and automation software, Pabbly Connect. I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so here you can notice I'm already logged in. You can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this automation. Now after reaching out to the dashboard, click on this blue button that is create workflow and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. I have provided the name as add ThriveCart payment details to Airtable automatically. Okay, now click on create and after that you will notice two boxes in front of you. So these are called as trigger and action. Okay, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Try to understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customers. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. According to our use case, whenever any new payment is received into ThriveCart application, then automatically add those payment details into the Airtable application. Okay, so this is how I am going to select both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Now the idea here is I am going to connect both these applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever a new product purchase is made. Okay, here it is up to you whether you would like to fetch the information of all the products or you want to fetch the information of a specific product only. Okay, so I will go with the product purchase of all products. Okay, now simply click on connect. Click on add new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the token. So from where you can get this token? If you are already logged in, it will directly take you to that specific place from where you can actually get the token, the API key. Okay, so click on this view settings and then you can create a new API key from here. Okay, I'm going to use the existing API key. Okay, so let me copy the same. Coming back to dashboard and let me paste the same here and click on save, and this is how you will notice that the ThriveCart account will be immediately connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now moving further, it is asking for the product status, whether you would like to work into the test mode or you would like to work in the live mode. Okay, I'm creating this automation just to show you how things can be created, so that is why I will work into the test mode. You will have to select the live mode. Okay, now I'll click on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. Now read the instructions. Once you have clicked over the save and send test request button, do a test submission record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so here it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission or record means making of a new product purchase into ThriveCart. Let me take you to the ThriveCart dashboard. Here I'm going to open the checkout page of any random product. Okay, so this is the product we have, that is PHP for beginners. Clicking on this get URL, clicking on this view checkout. Now let us make a dummy payment with some dummy details. So I have provided all the dummy details. Clicking on this continue button, and let us make a dummy payment using this test card transaction, test card details. So copying this card number, let me paste the same and provide the expiry date and the CVV. Now clicking on this complete order, and once the payment will be successful here, you will notice that all the payment details will be captured inside Pabbly Connect dashboard immediately. Let us wait for that. So the response is received. Let us discuss the details one by one. So here we have the price of the product. Here we have the product name. Here we have the date of the order. Here we have the customer name, the email address, the phone number and all the shipping details. So the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between ThriveCart and Pabbly Connect is working fine. Now moving further, I'm going to send these details into Airtable. Well, the application is already selected. Simply select an action event, that is create a record. Now click on connect. Click on add new connection, and for the connection again it is asking for the token. Directly click on this developer hub section, and as per the instruction we are going to create a new token. Okay, so moving here, this is the button of creating a new token. Click on that and provide any random name. Now after providing the name, it is asking to select the scopes and the bases. So as per the instruction, we are going to select these scopes and the bases. Okay, so coming back here and let me select the same, that is data records read. data records right, and so on. After selecting all the scopes, we will select the basis. Now simply click on create token button, and this is how the token will be created. Click on this copy button, click on done. Coming back here and let me paste the same, clicking on save, and this is how Airtable will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now once it is connected, here you can notice all the bases of Airtable is started visible here. We are going to select this specific base, that is all sales data. So coming back here and let me search for the same, that is all sales data. After selecting the base ID, it will ask you to select the table ID as well. So here we have the table ID as table 1. Well, it has got selected automatically. Now as soon as you will select these data, you will notice that all the columns which you have added inside your Airtable sheet will be captured into the Pabbly Connect. Here you can notice we have this date of payment, product name, price, customer email, customer name and contact number. All these columns are visible here also. Now simply provide the data one by one, and this is how the data will be updated automatically into the spreadsheet. From where we are going to provide the data? From our previous step response. And the interesting thing is, I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. We are going to map this data. Mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the dropdown. Search for the preferred data, that is. Simply select that value, and this is how the data will be mapped. Let us map the product name. Also map the pricing. Lastly, I will map the customer name and email and phone number. Now after mapping all the data, directly click on this button. But what is the meaning of mapping? So whatever the details you will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. So that is why mapping plays a major role inside this automation, and this is how this automation is going to take place. Clicking on this button, save and send request, and wait for the response to receive. So the positive response is received. Let us go back to the Airtable sheet and check for the data, and here you can notice that all the data has been added automatically. So here we have the date of the payment, the product name, the price, the customer email, the customer name and the phone number. So now onwards, as soon as someone is going to make a payment for your products in ThriveCart, the sales data will be added automatically into your Airtable spreadsheet, and this is how you can track all your payment directly from the Airtable itself. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into the description box. Click on this link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.